Why does your scanner show the P3441 engine code? What does it mean? P3441 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 6 deactivation or intake valve control circuit or open. This engine code indicates that the specific meaning can vary by manufacturer, so consulting your vehicle's service manual or a professional is crucial for accurate diagnosis and repair. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low engine oil level, faulty cylinder deactivation solenoid, wiring and connector issues, restricted oil passages, low engine oil pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.